Welcome back, everyone. Just being on property here today. We're going to accomplish three things. One, we need to check to make sure the surveyors have completed their job in identifying the clearing boundaries, as our construction entrance is going to be installed this Friday. And then the second thing is a new tree came down, so we're going to start hacking that up and utilizing it as firewood. And the final thing is we also have our electrical conduit. We're installing some 2-inch Schedule 80 PVC pipe underneath the driveway to the power pole. From there, our power company will install everything else, but it's our responsibility to trench this line in across the driveway. So we're going to go glue up that pole, or up the PVC pipe, get it ready to go, and then I'm going to work on cutting this tree. Okay, first things first, before we get going on slicing up that fallen tree, so I want to get this wheelbarrow emptied. Great. This is the tree that's fallen. I'm going to start by de-limbing as much as possible and then work my way from the top down to the lowest part of the tree. Let's get this done. Alright, we're gonna head down to the new construction entrance and run this power conduit, get it cut up, get it glued up, and ready for installation. Just kind of a recap. What we did here last week was this whole area got cleared. This is what's left to go. So I plan on being out here in about a week to finish this section up. Okay, so here's the fiberglass sweep that's going to get installed right about here, and then it'll be offset from this pole, and we're going to run it along with Schedule 80 conduit right down through this hill it's about right here. Yeah, maybe a little further, about where this blue stake is. And then from there it's going to take a right-hand turn and go up the hill towards the home. So now we're going to get this piping glued up. Okay. First things first, I'm going to clean off these two surfaces, prime one side, put the adhesive on the other, and then get them put together. And that'll be the first run. We're running it about 25 feet in total from side to side. And we'll cap it off, and it'll all get buried tomorrow. So I've already prepped these surfaces, meaning I've sanded and roughed up each edge. There. Great. Now I'm just going to dry them off. Take our primer right here. First, put some gloves on. Still have them. Stuff dries pretty quick. Okay, we're gonna get this final piece glued up. Again, the first thing we'll do is dry off these surfaces where the primer and the glue are gonna. Okay. There's the primer. Now we'll get the glue. Okay. I want to make sure it's all evenly spread. I'm going to get it into this pipe and twist. And there we go. Okay, this is the very start of our power line install. This 3-foot sweep. Go into our utility marker, and we have another 3-foot sweep at home. That'll get installed right there. This will all get trenched tomorrow. Then we're good to go. We're off to the races at that point. Alright, so now let's go see if the surveyors completed their clearing limits job. It took them 4 visits in total. No, 3. First one, they got about maybe a third of the way done. They didn't let their boss know they hadn't finished this job, so we had a little week and a half delay between the first and second visit. And the second visit, the computer they utilize wasn't working right, and so on what should have been the third visit last Friday, and from the looks of it, I am not seeing. Oh, wait. There's the stake they left off. There's the next one right there. Maybe they did this. This is very exciting. Let's continue marching up the hill here. Okay. There's another clearing limit right there. That's super great. So now Annie and I have to come out here and mark any trees that we want to keep. We'll probably get that done in the next week and a half or so. As long as it happens before the end of November, because right around then, all these trees are coming out. It's gonna be so cool. Okay. That should be the next clearing stake right there. And there's another flag. And I think that's it. This is exciting.